Learning target number 7, taking a look at two members from George Washington's cabinet, Hamilton and Jefferson. And a quick search of Hamilton and Jefferson gets us, I guess we get some things from the musical in there too. Hopefully one day I can see it. You can see there's a couple of different charts here. Always good to take a look at a chart comparing the two, and that's usually what you're going to find. These were two members of the cabinet who had very differing views on how the Constitution should be interpreted. They had different views on the financial plan for the country, the national, including the national bank. They had different ideas about who should govern, and so on. And so you want to take a look at some of those differences. Those differences then are going to lead to the development. And here you can see there's a couple different really nice charts. Always looking at the visuals is a good idea. So this is going to lead to the rise of these two kind of separate strong political parties based off of their views. All right, and then we have learning target number 8, which talks about the election of John Adams, so you can read a little bit about that. We did pick two things from Adams and Jefferson's presidencies for you to focus on. During John Adams' presidency, it says, no protesting the government, no immigrants allowed in, no freedom of the press, lawmakers jailed. Is this the story of the Soviet Union during the Cold War? Then it says, no, it describes the United States in 1798 after the passage of the Alien and Sedition Acts. And so we want to know, what happens, why are they so concerned about immigrants, and then also why are they restricting people from talking out against the government, okay, and what's going on at the time that's causing them to do that. And then further, what happens to the Alien and Sedition Acts? So how long are the acts? You're also then going to take a look at the election of 1800. You should look at the election itself because it does kind of show a kind of a flaw in the Constitution that they have to fix. And then you're also, because it's called the Revolution of 1800, you also want to look at how this is a kind of the first peaceful transfer of power from one party to another, which doesn't always happen when someone new gets elected to office. That doesn't always happen in all countries. So again, taking a look at the Alien and Sedition Acts during John Adams' presidency, and then the election of 1800 is when Thomas Jefferson was elected president. All right, going to be interested to see what you got.